Hi, welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make a Absolut Lime Iced Tea. Okay, so we're gonna show you a really simple summer drink that you should be able to create with anything you should have laying in your home. We're gonna make an iced tea, but we're gonna spike it with a little bit of Absolut Lime. Great thing about this recipe also is you can make this drink with all of our citrus flavors. So go crazy and experiment yourself at home. Let's jump straight into it. Take our tin, take our jigger, and take our cheapest ingredient first. Let's go for some fresh lime juice. We're gonna want 25 mils in there, straight in. Next up, we're gonna balance this out with a little bit of sugar syrup, simple syrup 1:1, another 25. I'm gonna try this with agave. Use any sweetener you have lying around at home. Next up, this is cold brew tea. Throw some tea bags into some cold water, leave it in the fridge overnight. When you come back out, you're gonna have some cold brew tea. We were looking to put about 90 mil in there. Last but not least, Absolut Lime. Time to give it a shake. We need ice to make it cold. And also by shaking, it's gonna help amalgamate all those flavors together. I think, did I make up a word with amalgamate? I'm not too sure. Sounds good though. Next up, take a nice tall glass. Let's fill this with some ice. Hawthorne strainer, fine strainer. Just because it looks good. Let's give it a wheel. I'm gonna give it a double wheel. No, a single wheel, because that's a small glass. No, let's put it in like this. I was trying to be arty, but it didn't work. Drink still looks banging though. If you like iced tea, you're gonna like this. Citron, lime, grapefruit, or original. All those absolute great flavors are gonna work in this drink. Oh, it's real good. Citrus blast. Drink of the summer.